Ah lui il a pris son headshot lui. Hein.
I think that's all of them.
Search the bodies. Strip everything we can from them.
Un peu du mal à viser. À la manette ouais.
You recognize any of them, Dutch?
Of course not.
J'ai vraiment du
Cole
mal. Hein.
doesn't give a damn about his men. All he cares about is numbers. If you can shoot a gun and ride a horse and kill without thought, you're in. Think how long some of you have been with me. I imagine Colm doesn't even know half the names of these fools. Heads up, boys! We got more coming in from the forest!
Ils en attaquent.
I say we kill it, the bastards! Come on, then! Everyone with me!
Putain, je les vois pas quoi.
There must be more of them in the forest. Let's go!
Oh, I'm gonna get to you next. Real quick.
The cowards are running away! Good work!
Afficher la route des armes. Afficher la route des objets. Sélectionner un fortifiant pour sang-froid et relâcher L1 pour l'utiliser.
Boys, back to the camp. We'll get what
Très
we
bien.
need. Clear out.
Ok. Bon alors là pour les menus je suis largué. Oui bah vous allez m'attendre les gars parce que moi je ramasse les cadavres. J'ai pas tué tout ça pour rien. Pas déconner quoi. Putain $1 quoi. J'ai gagné $1. Nice. Nice récolte. Bah, franchement, je l'aurais sur PC, je pense que j'aurais pas de mal à viser, mais alors sur PS4, j'ai toujours ce problème de viser. Encore là, ça va, il y a une petite aide à la visée automatique quand même. Enfin, une petite aide à la visée tout court même d'ailleurs. Qui est très agréable. Après, c'est pas tout le temps, mais ça aide pas mal. Eh ben, purée, on va être riche là, ça y est. Après, il y avait des types dans la forêt aussi, mais bon. Pour retrouver leurs cadavres. Ah, mais c'est les petites croix sur la carte. Ah. Très bien. On les a pas fumés pour rien. Hein. Je suis sûr que ça servira pour la suite. Est-ce que ça compte? Est-ce que les... Ah non, les croix noires, c'est ceux que j'ai pas loot encore. J'en ai oublié un ici. Lootons tous les cadavres. Les cadavres. Du tabac à chiquer. C'est parfait ça. Putain, mais il y avait combien de mecs? On en a fumé un paquet là quand même. Hein. Mec, Dutch, attends, je ramasse. Laisse-moi looter, hein, on n'est pas venu pour rien. Je sais pas s'il y a un... Genre il y a une limite au loot.
Get over here.
Mec, arrête de me dire de venir, je... Laisse-moi looter. Mec, il va en avoir marre, il va se barrer en fait. Il va dire fuck it. Il me dit Arthur, tu casses les couilles. Non mais en vrai, ça sert à quelque chose tout ça, ça se revend et tout. Je fais pas ça pour rien quand même. Allez, donne. Je suis le détrousseur professionnel. Je vais avoir direct un trophée pour ça. Je propose pas un gameplay magnifique quand même, à base de loot. Il est où celui qui est là? Tu te caches. Où tu te caches, cadavre? Après, je t'avoue, le temps de dire que je me suis tâté à continuer Nioh quand même. Je me suis dit, putain, mais... J'ai quand même envie de le continuer ce jeu, tu vois. Moi, je préfère changer un petit peu. Parce que j'ai vu qu'il avait pas mal plu ce jeu. En fin de compte. Bah, je l'ai fini, mais... Mais il y a encore les autres voies à faire, tu vois. Et toute l'optimisation que j'ai pas fait également. Tout le farm que j'ai pas fait. Pour gagner de l'argent. Améliorer mon stuff, etc. etc. Utiliser les armes célestes. Utiliser les autres armes, faire les DLC aussi.
Good work, boys. Now, let's tear this place apart. Bill, you go search that wagon there. Mike, search that building. Arthur, you take that building to the left. All right, man, quick. Find those detonators, explosives, anything you can. Let's go.
Let's go. Il me dit ramasser les détonateurs et tout, moi je ramasse des cigares quoi. Classe. Prendre de l'alcool. Les conserves, les porte-monnaies. Dynamite. Bon, je crois que Dynamite c'est vraiment ce qu'il nous faut pour le coup. Ok, je suis carrément full.
Here. This looks good. What do you think, Bill?
Well, looks fine. Smells good.
Ça sent bon la dynamite, hein.
Come on.
Miam miam miam.
Did we get everything?
Think so, boss? Found this on one of them.
Thank you.
This is perfect.
Oh, yeah? Interesting. This is something about the train they was gonna rob. A Mr. Leviticus Cornwall. Mount back up. Let's keep moving. All right, let's get out of here. Proud of you boys. All of you.
Ah bah, on n'a aucune perte en plus.
Good work, fellers.
Not bad for some starving down and outs. They can pummel us hard as they like. But we will always get back up and fight. That's who we are. Outlaws for life, fellas. Wait until we have John, Mac, Charles, and Sean back riding with us, and I believe, I know, they will all be back.
Well, you didn't get Combe, but this hit'll hurt him a lot more than any bullet in the head.
Especially when we rob this train, too.
Yeah, I guess we'll see about that.
Oh, indeed we will.
You know, he'll come after us.
Oh, of course he will, just like all the rest. But we're gonna stay a step ahead of them. make sure we always know where they are before they know where we are.
Oh là là.
We allowed ourselves to get a step behind in
Il a sorti
Blackwater.
une phrase,
That won't happen again.
une complexité. Et là, tu joues à quoi, Altandir?
All
Mountain
right,
Blade, toujours?
dig in, fellas. Let's make some ground.
Allez, au galop. C'est parti, les amis, on y va. D'accord. Toujours en mode solo sur l'échelle
Hey,
devant.
see that fella? Wasn't he at the camp with Colm?
Leave him to me.
All right, we're heading back. Just bring him back alive. He could be useful.
Okay, you got it.
Faut que je le capture, le mec.
Ah!
Ah non, mais attends, mais il est super loin, là.
Yeah!
Go, go.
Je peux pas accélérer, là?
Yeah. Leave me alone!
Where are you going?
Chais.
Shit! No! You're coming with me.
I'm no use to you, really.
Saucissonné. D'abord, on va le fouiller, évidemment.
This is
You got me mixed up with someone else.
Merci pour les sous. Et maintenant, je te prends. Ah, tu continues, mon ami. D'accord, ça va.
Come on, I'm nobody, mister.
Approchez de la croupe de votre cheval.
Please don't.
Comme un sac, on l'a posé.
what's your name, boy?
I don't know.
You don't know your name?
tu,
It's Kieran.
tu connais pas ton nom?
What?
Duffy,
Lol.
Kieran Duffy.
Well, I ain't gonna lie to you. This is a real bad day for you, Kieran Duffy.
Where are you taking me?
Somewhere you ain't gonna like.
Why? What are you gonna do to me?
Something you ain't gonna like. So I'd advise you to save your breath for screaming.
No, please.
Si, tu vas crier, bâtard. 3 des factions initiales sont hors jeu et l'une d'elles est sur la fin. Et il y en a combien en tout des factions?
I'm begging you.
Ah, bah ça va.
Let me go. I'll disappear. I'll go to Mexico.
You better shut your mouth, you little shitter. I will shut it for you.
T'as bien avancé quand même.
I don't know nothing real about him, honest. Just let me go, please. Oh, God, please, no.
Are you trying to test me? Is that it? Because I will break every bone in your body.
I'm sorry. Okay?
Not one more goddamn word. Am I clear?
Okay.
Am I clear?
That's 2 bones right there.
Les dialogues sont vraiment bons pour le coup. Hein. Je suis impressionné par les voix. C'est pas à la va-vite du tout, quoi. Hein. Et oui, du coup, quand on élimine certaines, du coup, les autres grossissent. Donc j'imagine que oui, là, il reste que les gros. Que les balèzes. Ouais, ok. Petit à petit, hein. L'oiseau fait son nid, comme on dit. Pas être pressé des fois. Oh, le chemin il est long là. Putain, on était vachement loin. On était au bout du monde là. Et on arrive là. Nice.
Here we are, you sack of shit.
Sack of shit.
Let's introduce you to the boys.
Lol. Ah, comme il lui parle quoi. Allez, viens là, toi.
Don't hurt me, please.
Oh, don't worry. They're real nice.
Pas sûr ça. Je pourrais accélérer la cadence, mais avec l'autre grosse faction, ce serait la porte ouverte à un conflit sur deux fronts. Ouais, non, mais t'as bien raison. Fais ça bien, proprement.
You found a little shit, did you?
Yep.
Sack of shit, il lui a dit tout
Very
à l'heure.
good.
Énorme.
Welcome to your new home. Hope you're real happy here.
You want me to make him talk?
Oh no, now all we'll get is lies. Uncle, Mr. Williamson, tie this maggot up someplace safe. We get him hungry first. I got a saying, my friend. We shoot fellas as need shooting, save fellas as need saving, and feed 'em as need feeding. We are gonna find out what you need. I can't believe it! An O'Driscoll in my camp!
I ain't an O'Driscoll, mister. I
Oui,
hate
c'est
that
ça, ouais.
fella.
Oh, whatever you say, son. Well done, Arthur.
I'm just sorry we missed out on Colm.
Oh, there's time enough for that. Now, I gotta figure out if we can hit that train.
Okay.
Bah, bonne mission quand même là. Un bon gros fight. On a appris à ligoter les mecs aussi. Enfin, les choper au lasso et les ramener. Pour les torturer. Incroyable. On a amélioré la familiarité avec notre cheval aussi. Tout va bien. Ah merde, c'est pas ça que je voulais faire. Trompé. C'est ça que je voulais faire. Parce qu'en général... Ah ouais, j'ai tout fail en fait. Terminer la mission sans utiliser d'objet de soin. Je me suis pas soigné. Réussissez 15 tirs en pleine tête. Bon, ça d'accord. Terminer la mission en moins de 15 minutes et 30 secondes. Tuer 3 ennemis lors d'une même utilisation de sang-froid. Rattraper et ligoter Kiran en moins de 45... Ah ouais. Ah ouais. Ok. Et sinon on a une carte ou pas? Oh, il y a une carte. Genre on est où là? Spider Gorge, Cairn Lake, Deadwood Creek. Ça c'est quoi? Colter. Ah, c'est le nom de la ville. D'accord. On va faire la quête de l'autre alors. De P, c'est quoi? Je connais pas encore les noms des persos là, il y a trop de persos. Le monde qu'il y a. Ça marche, à le temps de dire. Bonne soirée à toi aussi, mec. Merci d'être passé. Parlez avec vos camarades en maintenant L2 pour centrer la vue sur eux. Pace et Pearson.
We're okay.
We have a few cans of food and a rabbit. For what, 10, 12 people? When I was in the Navy.
I do not wish to hear about what you got up to in the Navy, Mr. Pearson.
We were stranded at sea for 50 days.
And you unfortunately survived.
When we ran away from Blackwater, I wasn't able to get supplies in.
Well, when government agents are hunting you down, sometimes shopping trips need to be cut short.
We'll survive. We always have. If needs be, we can eat you. You're the fattest.
I sent Lenny and Bill hunting and they found nothing.
Well, Lenny's more into book learning than hunting. Bill's a fool. Unless those mountains are full of game that want to read, ain't no wonder they found
Enough of this. We'll go find something. Come on, Arthur.
Wait a second. Hold on. Here. You're gonna need something to eat out there.
Assorted, salted offal. Starving will be preferable.
Come on, let's go.
You can't go hunting. Look at your hand.
I can't stay here listening to you two. Look, if there's game in those hills, I'll find it. And you can kill it.
You need to rest, Charles.
You think this is rest? Come along.
On va les chasser alors cette fois.
Here, you take this. I can't use it and you'll have to.
Oh, you're joking.
Use a gun, and we'll scare off every animal for miles around. You're never too old to learn, I imagine. Come on, this way.
Allez Charles, on te suit. Allons chasser un petit peu de gibier là pour nourrir toute cette petite bande.
How are you holding up, Charles?
I'm okay, apart from this hand. Stupid mistake.
Still bad?
It'll be fine in a day or two. I just can't pull a bow right now.
I sure hope I can. Never really got the hang of it.
You'll
Hey
be
Katsu,
fine.
comment vas-tu?
So, you reckon we're gonna find something to kill that ain't no Driscoll?
There's meat up here for sure. Pearson doesn't know what he's talking about. Now the weather's eased off a bit, they'll be needing to feed.
Ouais, ça va, ça va.
We'll head up this way.
J'ai commencé il y a pas longtemps en plus. Tu n'as pas raté grand chose au cas où. Si le jeu peut t'intéresser.
Been a
Je sais
while,
pas si tu le connais
few
celui-là.
days, all right. That ride north from
Red Dead
Blackwater,
2.
Getting stuck in the storm, going out for John. That thing with the O'Driscolls.
You've had a lot put on you.
Ça parle
I
beaucoup
wish I
beaucoup
could have
hein.
done more.
I didn't mean it like that. Just a lot to think back on.
Ah
I still
d'accord.
don't really know what happened on that boat.
Me neither. Well, Javier told me a bit, but it sure weren't good.
Alors moi j'avais déjà fait, genre j'avais déjà joué 1 heure je crois, un truc comme ça. Il y a un moment, donc je m'en souviens plus. Et là on va faire l'histoire complète. Ça a l'air sympa. Arrivé au printemps, j'ai arrêté de jouer et j'ai jamais repris. D'accord. Bah moi le début m'avait un peu rebuté au début, je trouvais ça très lourd comme jeu. Genre le perso, on dirait un tank à déplacer, c'est pas évident. Mais j'ai entendu tellement de bien de ce jeu que je me suis dit je ne peux pas ne pas le stream. Et en plus c'est bien le genre de jeu que j'apprécie normalement, donc ça devrait aller je pense. C'est de m'y mettre correctement et ça devrait bien se passer. C'est le jeu un petit peu jeu cinéma quoi. Hein.
There's some patches of grass here. This is good. Let's look down this way.
Hey, salut à toi, Quadricolore. C'est gentil, merci.
The wind's died down too.
That's good.
No wind at all is bad, but if it's too strong, they won't move. Now shh.
On apprend à chasser là. Donc lui c'est un bon pisteur apparemment avec nous là, Charles. Et nous on est juste là pour buter
Stop here
les
a second.
buter la bête.
I see something. Hold.
Qu'est-ce qu'il a vu? Il est où l'arc? Il est là.
There's deer been here. And recently.
How can you tell?
How can you not?
Ah, comme une note.
Let's walk it from here.
Je prends mon arc, non?
You're gonna need the bow. Don't leave it on your horse. Gun will scare everything around.
Alors, L1. Paf, paf, paf. Paf. C'est gentil. Merci beaucoup pour le follow.
Move quiet,
Mermude.
slowly.
C'est très gentil. Ah ouais, ouais, bah c'est bon, ça me fait pas peur.
Keep
Pas de
your
souci.
head down. You see the tracks?
I think so. Maybe not.
Focus.
Ouais, on m'avait dit qu'il était bien long ce jeu, ouais. Sans compter le online après. Bon, moi c'est vraiment pour faire l'histoire en tout cas. Œil de lynx. Ah d'accord. On peut traquer les bêtes comme ça, quoi. Ouais, j'en ai entendu que du bien de ce jeu, donc... comme je disais, ça devrait bien se passer.
Stay crouched.
Ah, faut rester accroupi, excuse-moi. Et merci beaucoup pour le follow en tout cas, mec. Hein. Ça me fait très plaisir. Merci, merci. Alors, où est la bête? Oh là là, que de follow. Merci Quadricolore. Merci beaucoup les amis. C'est très gentil. Alors là, comme vous voyez, on est au début du jeu, hein, donc soyez indulgents. Parce qu'en plus, les touches sont pas faciles à assimiler, je trouve. C'est un peu compliqué au début. Après, ça va le faire. Hein. Au début, c'est pas évident. On triche un peu, hein. On a l'œil du tigre là. Ah, je la vois là-bas. Elle est là-bas.
Wait, look. There they are.
Attends, mais elle est trop loin là.
Are you ready with that bow? Aim for their head or neck.
Plus vous tendez l'arc, plus votre flèche fera de dégâts. Mais si vous le faites trop longtemps, vous devrez viser à nouveau.
String before releasing. Just don't overdo it. Quick, before they move. Nice. See if you can get another one.
Ah, je l'ai eu. Nice. Attire l'attention d'un animal en le visant ou en sélectionnant l'option d'appel. Ah ouais, d'accord. Il y a d'autres traces? Suivre la piste. Ah non, c'est R1. Du coup, lui, je peux aller le loot ou ça se passe comment? Merde. Attends, je comprends pas en fait. Il me dit suivre la piste, mais à quoi ça sert? Il y en a là-bas, ok. Ah, ok. Tu es fraîchement débarqué sur ce jeu, toi aussi.
Well done. I think that's all we can carry. Okay, you pick up one, I'll get the other.
Allez, c'est
You
parti.
sure your hand's okay?
It'll be fine once I get it on my shoulder.
Alors, est-ce que c'est du one shot ou est-ce que j'ai bien visé en fait? On peut ne pas le tuer en one shot? On peut en savoir plus sur la biche. Oh là là, ah oui d'accord. Il y a carrément des trucs... Très bien. Ok, on peut en apprendre pas mal sur toutes les bêtes du jeu. Oh là là! Ça m'a l'air assez complet tout ça. Alors sifflez votre cheval. Viens mon cheval, viens.
I'm gonna get this patch on my horse.
Il est où? Ah, ils arrivent. Allez, viens, ma bête, viens. Viens là.
Come on, throw that deer and let's go.
Oh, le morceau que c'est.
Ready to head back when you are.
Come on then, let's head back.
Oui, Charles. Il est là.
Nice work, Arthur.
Nice
Should be enough
work.
meat here to keep us all fed for a few days.
You found him.
I knew you'd be okay with that bow.
It's easier when they ain't shooting back.
We've seen enough of that.
Considering how things were looking a couple of days back, well, maybe our luck is finally on the turn.
Seems to me we should be putting our effort
Alors,
into
c'est pas
getting
trop ce
off
qui
this
s'est passé. Hein. Il
mountain
parle beaucoup de Blackwater.
Soon, people are still weak, and well, you've seen how snowed in those wagons are. They ain't going nowhere until
Apparemment,
we
ça
get
s'est mal
some
passé à
more fog.
Blackwater, mais on n'en sait pas plus.
now. You're probably
L'argent est
right.
caché apparemment. Ils ont réussi à
And
récupérer l'argent, ils
even
l'ont
if we
planqué.
do get off here, what then? We still have a big price on our heads.
This is a big country.
Et on est traqué quoi.
We'll find somewhere to lie low. Dutch and Jose will have a plan.
Alors, qu'est-ce que vous me dites? Ouais, j'ai une offre pas chère et j'ai craqué, j'avoue. Oui, la biche, tu peux la one-shot à l'arc en visant bien la tête. D'accord. Toi qui aimes chasser les chiens dans cette division, tu vas te régaler. J'avoue.
Good that we caught more than one. We've only been up here a few days and have already picked up 2 more mouths to feed.
One more. We ain't feeding the O'Driscoll a damn thing. Except maybe that can of salted offal Pearson was kind enough to give us.
The girl, she has a wild look in her eye.
Ah, tu m'étonnes, après tu y es arrivé.
Of course. She lost her husband, her
Putain.
home, everything she had.
On montre
So
des
what
choses.
do
Hein.
we do with her?
Well, once we get out of here and we're back on our feet, we'll see. She might have family somewhere.
Who knows? Maybe she'll deal with the O'Driscoll for us.
Well, I know who my money's on in that fight. He's weak, but that makes him much more useful. Maybe we can get to them before they get to us.
What is it with the O'Driscolls?
You ain't dealt with them? I suppose. Hell, we ain't run into them much the last 6 months. I guess because they've been over this way.
Yeah. I've heard a lot of talk about them.
Well, we've been scrapping over scores with them for years. Big gang. Nasty sons of bitches. Their leader, Combe, and Dutch go way back. And not in a good way. A proper blood feud.
So I heard.
C'est quoi la bourse?
Bear up ahead. Let's see if we can find another way around.
He's got a lot of meat on him.
Ah ouais.
We've got enough here. No need to push our luck. You must be real hungry. Stay
Ouais,
well
du coup,
back.
sur The Division, c'est vrai que je tue un peu des chiens. Mais j'adore les animaux, ouais, en vrai. J'adore les chiens en plus, surtout. C'est juste pour le délire. Quoi. Alors, attends, faut faire quoi là du coup? Ah, il y va quand même? On attendait que l'ours s'en aille, d'accord. Bon, on a à manger là, c'est bien. Il est où l'ours?
Cut up here, off the trail.
Allez le cheval. Devient agité lorsqu'un prédateur se trouve à proximité.
Good one, boy.
D'accord. Ah, le cheval aussi, il est... Faut gérer la nervosité de son cheval, quoi.
How long you been with us now? 5, 6 months?
Something like that?
Bet you didn't expect this.
What?
Any of this. Blackwater mess. Being up here?
Ah. Sooner or later, a job's gonna go wrong. Nature of life.
I just thought you might have moved on by now.
You want me to move on?
No. No, not at all. I
know you could run it alone, no problem.
I did that for a long time. I'm done with it. Always wondering if someone's gonna kill you in your sleep.
I still wonder that most nights.
I reckon you're okay. This suits me. Sure, I could fall in with another gang, but Dutch... You know, Dutch is different.
Oh, yes. Dutch is certainly different.
He treats me fair. Most of you do. And for a fellow with a black father and an Indian mother, that ain't normally the case.
Ah, il a le bon mélange, lui.
Well,
Hein.
we need you now. More than ever.
Good. And how long have you been with these boys? Why ain't you run off?
Me? Oh, 20 years, something like that.
20 ans Ah,
Since I
putain.
was a boy.
20 years?
Yeah. He taught me to read.
Ah oui, d'accord.
John, too. Taught me a few other things, him and Hosea.
I'm sure.
Dutch saved me. Saved most of us. That's why we need to stick by him through this. He always sees us right.
En fait, j'ai peur de me casser la gueule dans l'eau.
How's that new horse?
He's all right. He'll do for now. I appreciate you letting me take Taima the other night.
She's a strong one. It's been as hard on the horses as on the rest of us. I don't know what Dutch would do if something happened to the Count.
Same with Bill and Brown Jack. He's a drunk, miserable bastard, but he loves that horse.
I hope they all make it.
I tried to ride the Count once. Bucked me faster than a bull. Won't take nobody but him.
Fidélité des animaux. C'est beau. C'est agréable, ces petites promenades, n'empêche, mine de rien. C'est apaisant. On a ramené à manger.
I'm gonna hitch Taima over here.
Taïma.
Brought some food back, boys! Whoa. Come on, let's get these over to Pearson. And thank you for showing me how to use the bow properly.
I only showed you a little. Takes a lifetime of practice to master.
Allez. Allons donner la nourriture.
Well, well, well. Just drop it down in here.
What a surprise. Find a camp rat loitering around in the kitchen.
Is that any way to greet an old friend? I feel like we haven't spoken for days.
I do my utmost to avoid you.
Ah, he loves me, really. It's his sad way of showing affection.
No, it isn't. Now shoot, get lost.
Well, see you
C'est
gents
qui,
later.
lui? Ils ont
See,
pas
you
dit
got
son nom.
on just fine.
Charles is a wonder.
Have a drink, boys. You earned it.
Jesus, what is that?
Navy rum, sir. It's the only thing. The only thing. Keeps you sane, it does.
Yes, seems to have done a treat on you. You go rest that hand, Charles.
I'll be fine in a few days.
You mind helping me with the skinning, Mr. Morgan? It's easier if we do it together.
Do I get to skin you?
You're always one with the jokes, aren't you? Come on.
This really isn't a job for a man with a burnt hand. I'll see you both later.
You skin that one you dumped on the floor there.
Et du coup, Quadricolore, je t'ai pas demandé, mais tu lui as à quel prix le jeu? Tu as dit que tu l'as vu à une offre pas chère. Et tu l'as pris sur PC ou tu l'as pris sur notre console?
Hurry up! I want to get this meat in the pot.
Oui, oui, c'est bon, je découpe, on se calme. Ah oui, d'accord. Ah oui, mais d'accord, on voit tout, quoi. Purée.
Not too bad, Mr. Morgan. Yeah. They always said you were a butcher. You know, you could trade these or sell these in pretty much any town. If you're looking to make a legitimate bit of money, of course.
Right now, I'm just looking to get off this mountain alive.
Well, if you catch anything else, you bring it to me.
Sure.
Thank you, Mr. Morgan. Heck, Arthur Morgan's first decent bit of hunting after all these years.
Yeah, well, we're on the run now. Everyone's got to do their bit to survive. Just make a good stew.
folk need it.
It's been a tough few days.
À 29 € sur PS4. Ah bah ça va, c'est un bon prix, hein, clairement. Quelques jours plus tard. Vous avez débloqué les défis du grand chasseur.
It's been a bad few weeks.
Ok.
Dutch, being Dutch, he is busy making plans, and Dutch being Dutch, those plans involve robbery and dreams.
Qui est donc Leviticus Cornwall.
Well, I thought you was reading him his last rites. Now I see you're introducing him to your other passion.
I'll mind you to show me some respect, Mr. Morgan.
Mind away, Reverend. You still here then?
I owe you.
Yeah. And you'll pay me. But for the moment, just rest.
Il a pris cher lui quand même. Hein.
I think it's time for the train.
Want me to come?
Of course I do, but look at you.
I was always ugly, Dutch. It's just a scratch.
Don't lie still, son. Hello, Abigail.
Dutch,
Jackie.
the boy wanted to see you, John.
He's seen me now. Or what's left of me. What about you?
Guess I was hoping to see a corpse.
Bide your time. You'll see plenty of them.
You're a rotten man, John Marston.
He is an idiot, Abigail. We all know it. Now, railway men.
C'est le fils de John, le
you
petit
ride
là?
ahead and set the charge at the water tower just before the tunnel.
Ain't a problem. Why are we doing this? Weather's breaking. We could leave. I thought we was lying low.
Yeah, come on. What do you want from me, Hosea?
I just don't want any more folks to die, Dutch.
We're living, Hosea. We're living. Look at me. We're living. Even you. But we need money. Everything we has in Blackwater. You fancy heading back there?
No. Listen, Dutch, I ain't trying to undermine you. I just want to stick to the plan, which was to lie low, then head back out west. Now, suddenly we're about to rob a train.
What choice have we got?
Leviticus Cornwall's no joke, Dutch.
Who is Leviticus Cornwall?
He's a big railway magnate, sugar dealer, oil man.
Bah donc il
Well,
fait tout
good
lui.
for him. Sounds like he has more than enough to share.
Dutch!
Gentlemen, it is time to make something of ourselves. Get your horses ready. We have a train to rob.
Ok. Alors surtout vu le temps que tu peux passer sur le jeu, bah ouais, rien que l'histoire est longue, et en plus après t'as le online qui a l'air pas dégueu aussi.
We're moving out. Follow me.
C'est clair vu la durée de vie du jeu, c'est divisé 100% en plus, ouais j'imagine. Ouais. Il y a de quoi faire. Tant mieux, tant mieux. Hein.
Okay, gentlemen, listen up, all of you. According to the information so kindly provided to us by the O'Driscolls, the train will be coming north from Big Valley. We're gonna pick it off after it crosses the border into the Grizzlies.
What are you doing?
There's a raised spot there that should give us good vantage. Charles, you'll keep lookout for any outriders. How's that hand, by the way?
I'll be fine.
Good. I'll take the driver and engineer, then run point. Lenny and Javier, you two take the front cars, deal with any guards. Arthur and Micah, you head straight for the back. That's what we're after. Mr. Cornwall's private car.
You and me, Morgan. Great. Have you got a problem with that?
Not if you keep your head for once.
You worry about yourself, huh?
Enough! After Bill blows the tracks, we're gonna need to move fast. Is everyone clear on what they're doing?
Yep. Crystal.
Yes, boss.
Crystal clear.
Now come on! Let's ride!
On va attaquer un train, nice. J'avoue que je n'ai pas encore attaqué le online. Oh bah si tu t'amuses bien sur l'histoire, je pense que ça prend déjà assez de temps comme ça. Surtout si tu veux faire tous les petits défis là. Et je vois qu'en plus tu peux refaire les quêtes avec des défis sur les quêtes. Genre tout à l'heure il fallait finir la quête en moins de 13 minutes ou je sais pas quoi. Ne pas se faire toucher par les loups, ce genre de trucs. J'imagine que du coup sur toutes les quêtes il y a des trucs comme ça mais tu le sais que à la fin de la quête du coup. Pour que tu la refasses. Un peu comme de la Assassin's Creed quoi.
Out in the snow, finally.
Feels good, doesn't it?
Ah, c'est sympa ici.
Well, we need to get this done fast. Now it's thawing, before anyone gets up here after us. Oh, look at you boys. See? This is what I call a crew. Micah Bell, Charles Smith, Arthur Morgan, Javier Escuela, and what about young Lenny here? Always the first man on his horse.
Just happy we're back at him, Dutch.
You sure you're ready for this, kid?
Of course I'm ready.
Just stay calm. Keep your eyes sharp. That goes for all of you. No mistakes.
Putain mais c'est magnifique les décors ici.
So we do this, then we go back to Blackwater to collect.
How many times you gonna ask the same question, Micah?
That's a lot of damn money to leave sitting for too long.
It would be crazy to go back there now. The place will be swarming with Pinkertons.
We go back when I say we go back, and that's the end of it. The money's safe. You'll just have to trust me. And if the O'Driscolls are right, there'll be a stack of railroad bonds on this train. Ah! There'll be a stack of railroad bonds on this train. Good money, once we work out how to cash them. Now everyone, shut up and get your mind on the job at hand. Come on. There's the water tower. Hold up here on the ridge.
Exactement.
Is Bill there?
Chaque mission avec un ranking argent
You want
bronze.
to head down, see how he's getting
Je sais
on?
pas ouais.
Okay.
Allez voir Bill.
Easy.
Whoa.
Oui voilà c'est le genre de truc, les petits détails hein, qui rallongent la durée de vie du jeu. Ah, je n'avais pas vu le rocher.
How you getting on?
I'm okay.
You sure?
Of course.
Can I help a little?
All right. Go ahead and set up the detonator by those rocks over there.
Okay, sure.
Now just unspool the wire and then attach it to said detonator.
On apprend tout pour devenir braqueur de train là, c'est impeccable.
Okay, this is good.
All right. That should do it. You head back up to the others. I got it from here.
Boy,
Allez salut Bill. Je me tire.
Have to say, I'm rather looking forward to this. Just be ready to move quick, and remember the plan. All of you, no mistakes.
what's going on? He says all fine.
We'll soon find out.
Everything okay?
I think so.
Okay, cover your faces. Train should be here any minute now.
Afficher la route des objets. Faire défiler les objets jusqu'au masque. Attends, merde. Quoi? Ça? Ça? Ça c'est quoi? Gants chauds. Très bien. Oh là là, mais ça enchaîne direct là.
Gentlemen, it's time.
Oh là là.
Good luck, all of you. You all know what to do.
Et c'est parti. Ah mais ça marche pas en plus. Nice.
Oh, you have got to be kidding me. Where did you find that moron? You said it was fine.
Come on! You're pathetic.
Quoi, on y va à pied? What? Pourquoi on prend pas le cheval? Sauter sur le train? Ah oui d'accord. YOLO! Oh putain. Ah, il y en a qui s'est bien de à côté. Nice. On peut essayer de pas l'aider en plus.
I got you. Now stop yelling.
On n'est pas des bâtards quand même. Hein.
Yeah, you're okay. Now, let's go slow this thing down.
Where's Javier?
He fell. The others will get him.
Let's go.
Come on, we need to stop this train.
Ouais, je peux prendre des trucs là. C'était quoi? Vas-y, moi je loot tout. Lootons les gens, allez, allez, allez.
There's another guard up ahead. You want me to take him?
Oh, je vais le faire.
I'll go. You cover me.
Okay.
Je dis qu'il faut se baisser quand même, sinon on a l'air un peu con. Très bien. Merde.
Shouldn't we push up? Let's keep moving. Come on, let's get to the front.
You alright?
Yeah, I'm good.
Je suis un peu foiré là quand même.
What was Bill doing? He had long enough to set that charge.
Well, I hooked up the wire, but we won't mention that.
We gotta hurry. We have to stop this train. We have to stop
That's
this
what
train.
we're doing, kid.
J'ai pas compris comment on faisait pour choper un mec par derrière, mais...
We best get up there.
How you doing there?
I'm okay. If we don't stop this train soon, the other boys will never catch us.
Ok, ok, on va se dépêcher. J'ai l'impression qu'il faut quand même se bouger le cul.
Get him off me.
Je fais comment? R2 visé. Eh, je veux bien moi, mais... Ah, c'était R2 visé? Pourquoi c'est R2? Oula.
Look out! We got more coming off the train.
There better be. There better be some money at the end of this.
All these bastards must be guarding something.
Ah merde.
Still okay?
I think so.
Good.
Damn, he's got an arm. Who is this
Doing
guy?
good, kid. Where the hell are the others?
I don't know. Oh shit! Look, they're coming out of that last car. Shoot 'em.
We're gonna get out of this.
Oh, I know we are.
truc de misère.
That's how you want to do it?
Je les vois pas les mecs en fait.
Good shooting, kid.
I can see now why the O'Driscolls brought so many boys up here for this.
Arthur, get over here.
Oh putain. Bon, c'était un peu la misère sexuelle sur la visée, hein, je suis désolé. Mais j'ai vraiment du mal à les voir les types.
We don't have time to play games.
Oh là là, mais il est toujours pressé lui. J'ai pas le temps de ramasser les cadavres. De ramasser les loots surtout. Bon vas-y, on va tracer, vas-y. Il a l'air pressé monsieur.
What are you doing? Get over here.
Ah j'ai le temps. Ah je sais pas, il nous met la pression là. Il dit allez dépêche-toi, allez vas-y. Tu fais quoi? Ok. Parce que j'imagine que tout ça, ça peut servir à revendre, etc. À faire des thunes. Il est où le cadavre? Il est là. Je peux pas le looter lui? Si. Ouais, je pense que ça vaut le coup, hein. C'est un peu long, mais bon. Il y a tellement de cadavres aussi que... Bon, vas-y, je crois qu'on va faire lui et c'est bon.
You two all right?
Yes, let's get the money and go.
We got some fellas holed up in this last car.
Ah, shit.
What are you boys planning on doing in there?
Ouais, les
Listen
petites
to
croix,
me.
ouais.
We
Ça va,
don't
c'est bien fait, ouais.
want to kill any of you. Any more of you.
Oh là là.
I give you my word, but trust me, we will.
I work for Leviticus Corps.
Come on, boys.
We got our orders.
Okay, you asked for it.
We ain't
5,
opening this door.
4, 3, 2, 1.
5, 4,
These
3, 2,
our
1.
friends have gone deaf.
Oh putain, on va
Wake
les
'em
allumer.
up a little. Mr. Williamson, give Mr. Morgan and Mr. Smith some dynamite. You two boys
Ah
go
oui.
blow that door open.
On va le faire sauter carrément, quoi.
Now, don't matter too much to us, but you boys in there might want to take a step back.
Seems good enough. Now light the fuse.
Here we go.
Unless you got a death wish, I'd step back, fellers.
Ah, je me casse loin, moi.
All right, come on. Just walk on out here. We
Ah,
don't
du coup,
want
ils sortent quand
that
même.
We just want to rob your boss. Get on up there. Search that train.
Ça marche.
Look at this place. It's like a palace.
Now I've seen everything. Oh, you two got the safe? I'll search the rest.
Oh, yes. Should be easy as cake.